Hello everyone, welcome to the course. This is the first tutorial in my No Download Python series. In this video, you'll learn how to use the print function in Python. Okay, let's get going. In this tutorial, I'm going to use an online browser-based Python editor. First, find your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any other browser. And search for Brython. That's Brython. And click on the first one, Brython.info. And click on Editor. Okay, this is going to be our editing view. Installing Python is arguably the most tedious and the most boring part about learning Python. By using an online editor like this one, we can bypass all of that. I'd rather you spend more time coding than worrying about different system requirements, different versions of your OS, and any number of other dependencies. What you see on your left-hand side, this is the editing area. This is where you type in your code. And to your right-hand side, the dark screen is where you see the results. So if you click on this button that says Run, it just displays the results of the code. We don't really need this right now, so we can delete this. And we can clear this side as well. Okay, back to our print function. Go to the editing area and type print, followed by round brackets, like this. And inside, let's type in some random numbers. I'm going to say number 20. That's it. And let's hit run. Okay, can you see the results? As you can see, the print function receives the information wrapped inside the brackets and returns it in the console. Okay, let's keep practicing. Let's print something else. We can do some maths inside the brackets. Let's say 10 plus 5 and click on the run button again. Okay, yeah, 10 plus 5 equals 15. You can also do a multiplication if you want to. Let's say print inside the brackets. Let's say 5 times 2. And let's run the program again. I'll click on run. Okay, 5 times 2 equals 10. Indeed, it's looking good. We've been printing numbers, but we can also print strings. String is just another way of saying text. Let's say print. This time, inside the round brackets, I'm going to insert quotation marks, like this. You can use double or single quotation marks here. It won't make much difference. And let's say hello, just like that. Before we run the program, the console is getting a little bit cluttered, so I would like to clear this out. What I'm going to do is I will select the first 3 lines like this. If you're using Mac, you can use Command and slash like this. If you're using Windows, it's Control and slash. Can you see the first couple of lines are grayed out now? You can do the same thing again to unhide it. You can hide and unhide like this. This is a good way to hide the lines you're not using. This way, you won't have to delete them altogether. And when you run this program, Python is going to ignore the first couple of lines because they're grayed out. Let's click on the run button. Okay, we just printed the strings. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel up here. If you're interested in HTML and CSS, you can watch my other tutorials down here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.